Hey everyone, after a long break, we're back with a new episode of Master Hard Surface. In this one, we're going to create 3 modern-style water containers. We'll start by creating a cylinder, scale it, then extrude the bottom and add a bevel. Next, using BoxCutter in the join operation, we'll add an additional piece and rotate it around our mug. Then we'll inset and extrude the top section inward. To add some functional detail and make the grip easier, we'll create a slight indentation in the middle. Finally, we'll add a small hole on one of the supports so this cup can be hung if needed. Nice! It turned out practical, looks good, and hey, who knows? You might even be able to put it over a campfire. All right, let's move on to the next model. For the second model, we're going with a sci-fi thermos design. We'll start again with a cylinder, extrude it, and use BoxCutter in cut mode to create details at the bottom. Making sure it's aligned with the center line. Then, using radial array, we can spin it around the model. To make it look more interesting, we'll give our cutter a bevel modifier with a rounded shape. For the top section, I'm using the Random Flow add-on to add some sci-fi style detail. In edit mode, select the polygons you want, switch back to object mode, press Shift plus Q, and from the random panel, create the detail. For the upper part, I'll add a small indentation and place a button in the center. You can separate it if you like. Now let's move on to the final model. We start with a box, scale it, and apply the scale so bevels work correctly. Then, using Inset with BoxCutter, we slightly push the top inward and increase the value in the settings. After applying, we carefully move the vertices to match the reference and form the base shape. At this stage, make sure to properly connect all the points where new edges were created. We'll also extrude and detail the lower part. Since we already did similar steps in previous models, we'll fast forward through this section to keep the video shorter. For the upper details, we'll use Inset again. For the handle, we'll switch to slice mode, and after applying it, select both meshes, enter edit mode, and bevel them together. Though this could also be done directly with the slice cutter. Next, we give the sliced area an inset and extrude it. For the front buttons, we'll cut them out with slice and bevel, separating them into two parts. Finally, we'll add 2 cylinders on top to act as the water inlet and outlet. To ensure a clean topology, you can manually connect vertices and remove any extras. If that feels tedious, you can use triangulate, then apply a bevel, adjusting the amount to reduce excess edges. Just keep in mind that in some areas, artifacts may appear, so it's best to fix those beforehand. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next episode. See you in the next one.